SolidWorks weldments are great. They automate a lot of tasks that are just plain repetitive and boring. They even give you this handy cut list. But one frustration that comes through for SolidWorks users is that Endcaps and Gussets don't fill in a description. Well, let me show you how to fix that. We'll open up this model and we'll add an end cap. Weldment end cap. We'll click this face. We're going to recess that 1/4 inch plate and we'll give it some corner treatment. We'll click OK. Now here we've created an end cap, and you can see that in the cut list we have a new cut list entry. It's just called end cap. I will add end caps to the remaining tubes by editing this feature. We can just click additional faces to add more end caps. You could also complete this task doing mirrors and patterns of the bodies. Here I have 4 end caps. Next, I'll add a gusset. We'll just add 1 gusset between these 2 surfaces, and we'll increase the size to make it visible. We'll make it a nice even 2 inches. Here I have a gusset. You can see that there's an additional cut list item called gusset. However, when we return to the drawing, we will see that there's item number 5, quantity 4, which is my end caps. And there's item number 6, quantity 1, which is my newly added gusset. I'd like to get some descriptor in there so that we know what it is. Well, the easiest way to do this is to click on the cut list folder for that item and select Create Bounding Box. That will create a bounding box for the cut list item 2. We'll do the same thing for the gusset. Create Bounding Box. Now, when we return to the drawing, we'll see that SolidWorks has added plate, the thickness, and the size. These will be my end caps. These will be my gussets. It's not a perfect solution, but it is by far the easiest solution. I hope this helps. To finish this out, we can simply copy some of these bubbles. Now you can see that items 5 and 6 are clearly defined on the pictorial view. Thank you.